Good morning, students of class 9. You're welcome back to the classes now. Let's continue our lesson in English, in history. So we are doing socialism in Europe. That part we have finished, and the Russian Revolution. And in Russian Revolution, we have reached February Revolution of 1970. So that is, you have now altogether 5 points. So February Revolution of 1970, we'll talk about that, and it started from 22nd of February and it has reached up to 27th. So from here we'll begin. By the evening of 27th February 1917, the soldiers who had already left their job and supported the striking workers, they formed the Soviet. Soviet means the council, and it is known as Petrograd Soviet. And they met in the Duma, as the Duma was already suspended by the Tsar Nicholas. So they met in the Duma. So the next day, that is on 28th, it is 27th, the next day, that is 28th, the next day the delegation means the council or the group or the members, the delegation went to see the Tsar Nicholas, the king, monarchy. They went to see Tsar to keep their proposal in front of the king. They went to see the Tsar, and while they were going on the way, the military commanders, they stopped the delegation and advised him. The military commanders advised him means the Tsar Nicholas government. The military commanders advised him to abdicate means withdraw. He followed their advice. The king followed their advice. The commanders advised the king that now it is uncontrollable, now you have to give it up. You have to give up your power. So he followed their advice. Tsar Nicholas, he had no option, so naturally he had to follow their advice and abdicated on 2nd of March. So he gave up his power on the 2nd of March. So after that, the Soviet leaders and the Duma leaders, or the Duma which was already suspended by the Tsar Nicholas, those leaders, elected leaders, and the Soviet leaders who were the workers and the soldiers. So Soviet leaders and the Duma leaders formed provisional government. They formed the provisional government to run the country. Now the power has been shifted from monarchy to provisional government. Now the provisional government will run the government or run the country. Now here number 4. Now the Russia's future. The future of Russia. Now Russia's future would be decided by Constituent Assembly. Now they have formed the Constituent Assembly, elected on the basis of universal adult suffrage. So the future of Russia will be decided by the Constituent Assembly, elected on the basis of universal adult voting. Suffrage means voting. So now here number 5. Petrograd had this Petrograd Soviet formed by the workers and the soldiers or the commanders who had left the job and supported the protesters. The Petrograd Soviet had led the February Revolution that brought down the monarchy. The monarchy was brought down. His power has been transferred from monarchy to the provisional government. So brought down the monarchy in February 1970. So now this is all about the February Revolution of 1917. Now we'll talk about in our next class, to be continued, after February Revolution of 1970. After February, that will be 3.1. This is 3.0. We have talked about, this is all about 3.0. This is 3.0. So now in our next class we'll talk about 3.1. One, after February Revolution. What happened? What was the situation? Whether the government was ready, whether the Tsar Nicholas ready to share his power with the Constituent Assembly or the Provisional Government, or whether he again suspended the Constituent Assembly. Let's talk about after February, because after February again there will be a revolution in October. So we'll have October Revolution later on. But right now we'll talk about after this class, after February Revolution, what was the situation like. So we'll talk about that in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening and paying so much attention. Thank you very much, and being present in the class today. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next class.